सीएसडी रिपोर्ट उन्मोचित होइछि प्रकाश पाइछि सीएसडी रिपोर्ट तार सीधा चित्र आपण मानक सामना रे रहिछि ए सीएसडी रिपोर्ट रे कोन रहिछि ता ऊपर मध्ये समस्तंकर नजर रहिछि एवं आउ किछ समय परे ताहा मध्ये समस्तंक सामना को आसीबो तो ए सीएसडी रिपोर्ट प्रकाश पाइला तार प्रेस मीट रो सीधा चित्र आपण माने टीवी स्क्रीन रे देखुछंती ए सीएसडी रिपोर्ट रे कौन रही कौन खुलासा होची ता तो परवर्ती समय जना पड़िबो किंतु अकाउंटेंट जनरल को प्रेसमिट एठी आपण तार सीधा चित्र देखि पारुछंती रिपोर्ट प्रकाश पाइछे अकाउंटेंट जनरल को प्रेसमिट एवं किछ समय परे
I will give the brief highlights and the press briefs will be shared along with the copies which you can take after the press conference. First I will like to discuss the state financial report Government of Odisha for the year ended March 2025, report number 3 of 2026. This report on the finances of the Government of Odisha assesses the financial performance of the state during 2024-25 and aims to provide the state legislature with input based on audit analysis of financial data. The report is comprised of 3 chapters: overview of finances of state, budgetary management and financial reporting practices. The audit findings are: economy of the state. The Odisha economy recorded moderate growth of 11.4% in financial year 24-25 compared to previous year. GSDP at current prices grew at compound annual growth rate of 13.30% from 5,40,185 crore in 2021 to 8,90,038 crore in 24-25. This is para 1.1.2.1. A snapshot of finances of the state government. During the year 2024-25, the state recorded the revenue surplus of 22,655 crore, which is 2.54% of the GSDP. The fiscal deficit of the state was 25,042 crore, which was 2.81% of the GSDP, which was well within the stipulated ceiling of 3% of the GSDP. Total liabilities stood at 15.48% of the GSDP in 24-25, significantly below the prescribed limit of 25%. Overall, the state fiscal position remained stable with controlled deficits, manageable debts and sustained revenue surplus. However, the risk of fiscal stress due to under-realization of revenue receipts, low own tax mobilization, poor collection of dividends, long outstanding loans, concentrated short to medium term repayment obligations, etc., could constrain the state capacity for development and capital spending if left unaddressed. This is para 1.1.3. Coming to revenue receipts of rupees 1,83,963 crore grew by 2.43% in 24-25 with revenue buoyancy and state-owned revenue buoyancy declining to 0.21 and 0.02 respectively, despite higher union tax devolution and GSDP growth exceeding 11% in the last 2 years. The state generated higher own tax revenue, which is 56,516 crore in absolute terms compared to previous year of 54,422 crore, but could not keep pace with the GSDP growth of 11.4%. Further, non-tax revenue also decreased by rupees 1790 crore over previous year and consequent share in GDP, which is 5.75% declined. This is para 1.2.1. Coming to revenue expenditure, during financial year 2021 to 24-25, revenue expenditure exceeded 2% of revenue receipts except in 21-22, reaching 87.69% in 24-25, indicating that most receipts were absorbed by routine spending. However, committed expenditure declined from 39% of revenue receipts in 2021 to 32% of revenue receipts in 24-25, creating some fiscal space for development expenditure. On the other hand, subsidies expenditure increased sharply to 9,134 crore in 24-25, exceeding the budget estimate of 8,068 crore and rising by rupees 5,011 crore, which is 121% over the previous year. mainly due to grant of 5,848 crore as input assistance under Samruddh Krishak Yojana. On capital expenditure, the capital expenditure of state was 45,481 crore during financial year 24-25. The share of capital expenditure showed positive shift towards asset creation and developmental spending from 16% of total expenditure in 2021 to 22% in 24-25.
अकाउंटेंट जनरल अतुल प्रकाश सीएसडी रिपोर्ट उपस्थापन करिसेंती एवं से बाबद रे मध्य सविशेष भाव में तथ्य रखुचंती 2024-25 पई सीएसडी रिपोर्ट प्रकाश पाइछि एवं जदि आपण देखिबे राज्यर जो अर्थनैतिक स्थिति कथा कहंतु एवं विभिन्न योजना कथा कहंतु ए बाबद रे मध्य तथ्य रखुचंती अकाउंटेंट जनरल।